On this sheet for customer details, I have all the information I need apart from the title. What I could do is manually enter the title for each customer. But the problem with that is that the text becomes inconsistent. It also allows for other data to be entered, and it might not be what you want. So to overcome this, the best thing to do is create a list for all the cells in that column. Now that I've deleted all the data, I can show you how to do this. I'm going to Sheet 2. In Sheet 2, I've already listed all the information that I wanted. I put it under the heading of Title. This is just so I know what it's for. I'm currently in cell A2. I know that because it's listed up here. What I need to do is select all of the cells with the list and then select where the cell reference number is and give it a title for that list. So in this instance, I'm going to call it Customer Title. If you give it a name, make sure there are no spaces in that name. Once you've done this, press Return. If I select anywhere in this list, you have A2, A3, A4 and so on, but if I select all of them, you can see that it changes to Customer Title. Now, let's add this list to the customer details. I'm going to select the column where the information is, and I'm going to say that I want all of these to turn into lookups using only the data that I've put in. So along the top, select Data, and then go to Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. For source, you can either press the equal sign and type in the exact name that you've just called the list, or have it empty and press the F3 key on your keyboard. This will now bring up all of the lists that I have available. I previously created one called Title, so that's there, but I'm not going to use it. However, I will use Customer Title that I've just created. So select it, press OK again, and you can now see that a drop-down has appeared. Select the drop-down, and I'll pick Mr. And then for the next customer, Mrs. For the next customer, Doctor, and so on. And that is the process completed.